everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you tasty and delicious vegetarian recipe. I'll be making today black eyed peas. This is 1 pound and we call it Rongi. And let's see what other ingredients we need. 1 onion, 1 tomato, 1 green chili, 1 inch ginger, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, cumin seed, salt, 1 teaspoon each, cilantro. This is organic tomato sauce and I will be using 1 tablespoon. We're going to wash it. Then we're going to add 4 cup water and we're going to put it in a pressure cooker along with salt and we're going to give 2 whistles. Once we're going to start making tadka, then we're going to use 2 more cup water, and if you need more runny gravy, then you can add more water. For tadka, we're going to use olive oil. So this is 1 pound. I just wanted to show it to you. So this is the rongi and we're going to wash it with cold water. Onion, tomato, ginger, green chili cut into nice small size pieces. I washed the rongi and we'll place the rongi inside. Add salt and 4 cup water. Put the lid, place it on the burner, give 2 whistles. Start burner and put the pressure cooker and we'll wait for 2 whistles. We're going to start burner and get a pot. Add 1 tablespoon olive oil. As the oil starts to heat up, add cumin seed, jeera. Give like 10 seconds. This is good. Add onion. Mix it well. Keep it moving and keep cooking until the onions are nicely translucent. Cooking onion for 3 minutes. Now I'll bring ginger. Mix it well. Once it's nicely combined, add green chili. Mix it well. Cook ginger and green chili along with onion for 1 minute. Cooking ginger and green chili for 1 minute. Now I'll bring tomatoes. Mix it well. Bring the gas to medium. Spread it evenly. Cover with the lid and cook it for 3 minutes. This is the second whistle on our pressure cooker and I will turn off the burner and let it cool down. And on this side we have a 3 minutes cooking the tomatoes and I will open it. Mix it well. As you see, the tomatoes are nicely tender. Now I'll add all the spices: turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, garam masala, tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Cook spices along with tadka for 1 minute. Cooking spices along with tadka for 1 minute. On the other side, the pressure cooker, very low air, so we'll take the air out. This is how it looks. So if we press it, you can see it's nicely touch, so it's fully cooked. So now we're going to transport the rongi into our pot. And mix it. Add 2 cups water. If you need more running gravy, you can add more water, but this will be perfect. Now bring your gas to low, cover with the lid and let it cook for 10 minutes. Cooking with the covered lid for 10 minutes, I'll open it. Mix it. This is a perfect gravy. This is what I like. And now we're going to add cilantro. Mix it well. After mixing it, cover with the lid again. Leave it for 1 minute so that it can absorb all the cilantro flavor. Another minute, I'm going to open it and I'll turn off the gas. Our dish is all ready. I have my serving bowl ready and I'll dish out. So our black-eyed peas is all ready and look at that. It's very delicious. This is exactly like a rajma, like a kidney beans. If you try this recipe, you're going to like it. And you serve with the rice pilaf, it will be a perfect. Let me share with you. Tasty and delicious black-eyed peas, or we call it rongi. It's all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.